Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. And in today's video, we are going to be leaving this hotel. Let me tell you, it has been real. Let me tell you, the bed, super comfortable. Definitely enjoyed my stay here. Felt very homely. What's the plan for today? I really don't know. It's like a little vlogmas. We're just going to do a bunch of stuff and I'll take you along with me. I mean, if you enjoy watching these videos, then definitely drop a like on the video, drop a comment, say something. That is how you show your support. I think the first stop we're going to be doing is going to Chick-Fil-A. Is that right, Kurt? Yeah. So we're going to Chick-Fil-A and yeah, you might have seen a mukbang that I've done. I don't know if I put it on Soai Eats or whatever, but I really just want the mac and cheese. Yo, the mac and cheese was fire. I'm feeling for the mac and cheese. I might get 2 of those. We don't know, but let's see. And my Riesling that I had all by myself last night, so I'm gonna boss this up on the way down. I'm not driving, so I should be good. Is this like a double line?
This?
Yeah.
No.
So why people are over there and then...
Those are the people picking up. We are just joining the line to go place our order. So we actually have to circle the building.
Wow, it's crazy.
Yeah, it's like that.
Yeah, so if you guys caught that mukbang, you guys might realize, yeah, it's really a long line to get to this Chick-fil-A. So maybe if you've never been to the US, whatever they've been talking about on them Instagram posts or whatever, it's real. It's crazy, yo. Well, it might be similar to KFC on a Friday and Saturday night, to be quite honest. You got a bag, bruh. That's what's up. Ooh. The mac and cheese there, man. Cheese. Ooh. Ooh. It does have pulp in there, but I don't think it's like
Fresh. Yeah.
as in real lemonade, but
Yeah.
that's a good little additive to it, I think. Alright, so I got the very same Chick-fil-A burger that I did in that mukbang. It should be on Soai Eats or probably on this channel. Either way, I'll drop the link so you guys can watch, because I am not going to eat this on camera right now. I need to have time to seduce this burger. They definitely need to come out with don't eat and drive. How the hell are you eating and driving, bro?
I do it all the time.
The stick shift.
The stick, good.
It's not good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Alright guys, so I am back home and the fun is over, unfortunately. But anyway, I'm gonna go to the gym right now so I can get a slight little run in and then come back home. I don't think there's anything special because I already have food, like leftovers. Maybe I might go on a live, talk to you guys for a bit, and then maybe continue the video tomorrow. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Before you even start this video, make sure you go check out my mukbang over on soy sauce. That's where I'm gonna be doing all the mukbangs. I just tried what's it called again? Chick-fil-A. The chicken sandwich everybody's been talking about. So it's over there on that channel. But anyway, today we're gonna actually be linking up with Kurt, Tanya, Tracy, and Derek. If you need some food, I don't know. On Soai Vlogs, we're trying to go to different places, try different food spots, and just enjoy life, just traveling and going to different spots. If you guys know this restaurant that we go to, drop in the comments and let me know. All right, let's do it. So it's 5 of us in the car. But them don't know, say, yo, Mr. Jamaica, I'm used to minibus and them thing there. Isn't it? A whole heap of space, this.
Yeah, no, the talk.
Smile up on the self.
Smile up on yourself.
I saw you staying at Trinidad.
Yeah, man.
Right on a bus step.
Where?
I used to ride on bus step all the time. Just the doctor hold me up.
One time, Tracy, remember saying we was the last stop in the water, right?
Yeah.
So one time, you know, we have to carry chain was so by the time we squeeze she in, I just 1 foot there.
Yeah.
Not all the way down.
And the backpacker hang out.
No, what I mean with the traffic. Then drive right by bus stop.
Every day, since I come for a roundabout.
The bus stop. I didn't know about them laugh after me.
The bus driver with him.
One stop drive. Oh my God.
Yo, I tried to catch as much of that conversation as I could. Yo, if you guys have any like bus story or need to squeeze up on a bus in Jamaica, drop it in the comments. Yo, I used to take bus as well and it was like one of the worst things, but when you look back at it, like it's a really cool experience. So anyway, we are at where we're supposed to be at. Where's this place called?
Snook.
We're at Snook's, which is in Key Largo. It was a pretty long drive. It was like an hour. But you don't know, in the US, you're driving on the highway, it feels very short. So anyway, let's get to this restaurant, try out this food, and see if American people actually know if you use seasoning. So I'm currently out on the dock because in here is packed and there's no tables at the moment, to be quite honest. So what I found really interesting on the dock, they have some vessels that are like, you know, floating bars, but they actually have engines on the back of them. That's kind of cool. I won't lie. I always tell myself, if I'm supposed to move to another country and another city, it would definitely be Miami because it's very similar to Jamaica in some ways, except that there's sharks in the water and I don't like that.
We got a table.
All right, guys, so we got a table?
Yeah.
I got this drink here. What is this called again? It's some Snook special, but let me tell you, what is it called? Yeah, basically it's a coconut punch and it's really good. Whoa. I actually like that. All right. So this is raw tuna?
Yeah.
So this is some tuna raw with avocados and stuff.
Yeah, we have to finish ourselves.
It's pretty interesting. I actually like it.
Here, get a shrimp cocktail.
Alright, you guys know I love lobster, so they got lobster bites. What's this sauce called?
Ramalan.
Ramalan sauce. I don't know what that is. Drop in the comments if you know what it is.
Yeah. We're gonna go to the table, so we need to close the time here. Okay? Yep, yes sir.
Yeah, it's okay. I think the crust is too bready. It's a bit soft.
A bit soggy.
Yeah. What this drink?
It's a lot.
The bomb, bro. Alright, so our table is actually ready, so we're gonna move from the bar here and then head to the table. Alright, so we have moved from the bar and we're now here. We just put in our orders a while ago. I'm getting some form of yellowtail with a Bayside yellowtail with crab cakes and a lobster tail. But yo, I just had like the most interesting and strange conversation ever just now with the Caucasian male. It just shows you how people's thinking is very different. The basic concept of the conversation was about you know, people vlogging and, you know, showcasing local spots because it's for some reason going to become overran by people who watch videos. And I was trying to tell him, like, that's not how it goes. Like, yeah, there will be more patronization of the area, but it doesn't mean that persons who watch the videos necessarily will like the place. Because I will come here, maybe I'll just only come here once ever in my life. But here's a funny part of the story. So I think it was Tanya had ordered some tuna, the tuna sushi, but she didn't know it was actually fully raw sushi. So she passed it over to me. So I was like, all right, cool, I'm gonna try it. I ate one of them, it was beautiful, but I think it was just too much sushi meat just piled up. If you're a first time sushi eater, you're just not going to want to eat that. So there was one left back in the plate. So I left it, and the person beside me, the Caucasian male, he was like, aren't you gonna eat that? So I was just like, in my head I was gonna say like, do you want it? Like, go ahead, but COVID times. He goes, oh, you're a disgrace to your people. Pause. So I kind of want to know, is it that the people in Jamaica are starving and I have let everybody down?
No, I don't think that's where it was coming from.
Where was he coming from?
Yeah, because he left back some of the tuna. He left back some of the tuna.
Maybe that's where he was coming from, that island people eat sushi, but we don't. People in Jamaica, yeah, people in Jamaica don't eat sushi. It's just
But maybe because we're on an island, he thinks we do everything fish. Seafood. Yeah.
I think he was more saying that they're starving down there.
For me, I think it was starving. Reason being, it was his punchline to the conversation.
Yeah.
It wasn't a statement that allows you to say, oh, you know, in Jamaica we don't eat sushi. You know, we don't not like that. I guarantee you, the people on this video watch me eat that sushi and they were like, ugh, raw fish. Jamaicans, it's not our thing. But interesting conversation.
Wow.
So for my traveling people who are traveling, you guys have to really have a, how can I say, thick skin. YouTube has created this very thick skin for me. Like, it doesn't matter what people say. Like, once I hear it to my friends or whatever, I don't care what people say. When the conversation was starting, Kurt was saying to me, like, it's condescending.
Yes.
I could see he was trying to pull me away from the conversation, to be quite honest. But for me personally, I kind of want to see how people think culturally. You know what I'm saying? To see where their mindsets are, how do they think? And that's why I travel. I don't travel just to enjoy foods. I want to engage in culture, see how different races approach stuff. And I think he was really a letdown for his people. You know, because I know a lot of persons who are Caucasians don't think that way. Now, I know it was a punchline to the conversation, basically, just the way he walked away. It was like a drop the mic moment. So we were just reasoning just now, and you were saying, like, back in the day, like, locals couldn't go to all-inclusive hotels
In Jamaica?
in Jamaica?
Yeah.
It wasn't a popular thing. You had to like know people to get in there.
To get
But
in.
you know,
Yeah.
they did not stop you from going, you know, but I guess it's just a lot of locals didn't try to go. It wasn't a thing to stay at
wasn't
a
a thing.
hotel. We didn't grow up like that.
That's okay.
going and, yeah, that became popular afterwards.
That's interesting.
Yeah, but they wouldn't have stopped you from staying there.
That's interesting. That's kind of strange, and that's why for me personally, I like going to the hotels every now and again
Yeah.
to show my little chocolate. You understand? Because I have to make sure, say, yo, we visit the
And the
place.
thing, what happened then too is not many people could afford to go.
True.
Not many locals could afford to go. Now they do the discounted for the
For
locals.
locals.
They never used to have that before
True.
when we were young.
So you mean, when you say local, you mean born in Jamaica?
Living
People
in
who live
Jamaica.
there.
Living in
Yeah.
Jamaica or in that
Yeah.
area.
I couldn't imagine that.
In Trinidad, it's not like that.
So
right?
everything is open to everybody.
Well, there's no.
You don't have
That's
hotels.
why I always say to
But
you
you
guys,
don't
I
have
implore you
all-inclusive
guys
hotels.
all the time to travel.
all-inclusive.
Travel. Do not let certain places seem as if like it's for other people. Certain opportunities seem like it's for other people because they have money or whatever. We will still need to travel and explore the world. You understand? Because some of these persons make it seem like, yo, we should not be in their areas.
I remember
You get the idea. Travel and have fun. That's all I can tell you. But anyway, I'm just waiting on the food right now, and hopefully it's good. Alright, thank you.
Smell that.
Smells good. So me and lobster is our spine. You like a spine?
That's your Steven.
Huh?
Cupcake with the mashed potato.
That's au gratin or mashed potato.
No, they didn't have mashed potato.
Au gratin potatoes.
Okay, thank you.
That's your
Main side of the
Steven.
tail.
Oh, here. Sorry.
Oh, you guys are on the side of us. I should have done that.
Can still do it.
Can still do it.
That
By the time you finish your first one.
Pistachio.
passion is open. Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, I know someone that likes when we are eating the food, but table full. The camera can't go. Well, funny right now, but the food smells good. I'll tell you guys what I think about it. Yeah, I'm excited about the lobster for sure. So you put lime on your crab cake?
Any seafood you squeeze lime on.
Try this today.
Any type of seafood,
Oh, I feel you, bro.
especially lobster.
I could force it.
So you get your creme brulee.
Yes, sir.
Creme brulee looks good.
Hear that crisp?
It even swallow the food, they put the best of it.
Tastes 30.
And I got it's a peanut butter pie. Never had that before. Interested to see what it's like, and that's a chocolate mousse cake.
Oh,
Wow,
This is heaven.
it's good.
Yep.
Awesome,
Heaven.
man. guys, so straight up, that place was really good. The food was really nice. I have no complaints whatsoever. The peanut butter cake wasn't my favorite, and that's not on them, that's on me, because you don't know, peanut butter is not really my thing, but I wanted to try to see what it was like. So that's the whole vibe. I don't think I have long enough of a video to actually cut the video here, so I might show you guys something else tomorrow, or if there's anything else that I can show you guys here tonight, then I'll do that. Alright, definitely nothing else much for to see. There are some really cool fireplaces back there where you can sit down around the table with the fireplaces, but that was it. Anyway, we leave.